down around 330 cone. Once again, local legend in the far lane, Cam Clark, H&H Racing, Sonny's Horsepower. Barry Mitchell right here in the YO Motorsports 481X. Mitchell. 381 with an 8. 381 with an 8. Double O on a tree. Cam goes 385. Mitchell 381.8. Resets the track record yet again. The old Ram is doing well, Not getting a good gas mileage. I'm looking at a diesel truck, but I'm scared to pull the thing. That was a great finals. Congratulations to Cam Clark for an excellent race day today. Both of them in the double O's. Once again, Mitchell 81.8, I believe is what they said. The crew said we got to wait for the winner's circle, so take a break. Don't leave and come back in a couple minutes. That's probably going to be epic. The last one in the winner's circle was unbelievable. That's all I can tell you. Thanks to everybody here at Piedmont Dragway, all my sponsors. We bring 9 or 10 sponsors here. I could not do all this without you. Yeah, both of them banging a tree like it was nothing. Mitchell's been on it all day. I think 008's his worst light, or 009 the final. Once again, back in test and tune mode right here. Carolina no time. We'll give it a couple minutes and we'll slip over to the winner's circle. Once again, back into test and tune. Still all glass. They're not even lined up. Go around here and wait on Barry Mitchell. That's just test and tune right there. Got probably 100 motorcycles here tonight. My work is almost over. How you doing, man? Everybody wants to say hey to Mr. Alvin. He's doing well.
Hello, everybody. I think everybody at home enjoyed this as much as we did here.
I know they did. Good to see you, my friend. I'll see you soon.
Yeah,
love you.
Take care. I guess you're going to the winter circle.
Yeah, they told me the speech was going to be priceless. Got to get some cars moved.
Get some cars moved.
As always.
I always do. I would have done that if they just told me. Nobody told me. They love parking there, man.
Yeah, know how to walk. All right. He did.
You are parked in the winner circle, we need your car moved, please. If you are parked in the winner circle, we need your car moved.
Good clown, man. So once again, that's going to be a wrap right here from Piedmont Dragway. Should take a few minutes for Mitchell and Cam to come down the hill. That was a damn good drag race for sure. Appreciate all you guys spending your weekend with us. Kind of hate it's over, but get home, get some shut-eye, go back to work tomorrow just like everybody else. So, looking forward to going to Bradenton in first week of December. We may race a time or two close to home, but I'm not making any guarantees on that. But I know I'll sit around a weekend or two, I'll be ready to roll. So, look for some great things coming up right here in Pro Motor Vision in 2022. We're getting ready to reinvest some money in the company and continue to make drag racing greater. Thank you. I'll be safe going home. It's not too far. We'll be home at a reasonable time. So we'll just wait on Barry Mitchell. Like I said, Strut Masters, J&J Fab, Affordable Transmissions, Hickory Enclosed Trailers, Raleigh Windwater Corp, M&M Transmissions. I got a bunch of them. I'm just drawing a blank, and that's terrible. Affordable Transmissions, Raleigh Windwater, a bunch. I tagged them all. P2 Racing, John Dock, LS Nasty. Drawing a blank, sorry. Just sometimes don't say nothing. So, alrighty, get in the winter circle. Get out with that big old truck right there. Everybody getting put up for the year. We'll have to see what old Mr. Cuda Time has got to say. That ought to be good. Hello there. I'm good. How about you? I know, it's been good, hasn't it? Well, don't get spooked. Happy Halloween. Comes Cam Clark down the hill. You missed the finals. It'll be up as soon as we're off, man. It was a good drag race. A really, really good drag race. Cam Clark, both of them 00 on a tree. In the 00s. Come here. Come here.
Hey, I almost got me some fish tonight.
You almost?
Almost.
Hey, you did all you could do. You ran career best all night long, every single run. Y'all were like dead even on the tree. I think you maybe had a thou or two on him.
Yeah, I was 003 and he was 009. So.
He's been on the tree all day. Man,
yeah.
I think that's his worst light of the day.
No, I think he had 01. He had 01 earlier. So yeah. He was on it. Hey,
so good way to end the season for the H&H racing teams. I know you guys got some surprises for the gang coming out next year. Maybe not.
Yeah, I think so.
Looks like we saw some great promise today. The keyboard's working well. So.
Yeah, definitely. It was definitely a good day. We made a lot of headway. So
well, I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Don't let that go-kart kill you. Come back and drag race with us. Once again, Cam with a pretty decent go-kart crash last night that affected his man area is all I'm gonna say. So thank him for the time. Here comes the CUDA time.
You ready, Jay?
All right, let's get up against the car. I'm gonna get where everybody can hear us.
What's your name of this dog? Teardrop.
All right, talk to me. Your boy said if you want this thing to stay on, so we still got.
Yeah, no crazy videos today. My wife said this morning, if you win or if you get to the winner's circle, keep it classy and make sure to thank everybody. I like to thank Todd and his entire team, Brad, Ty, Christian, KB, or Christian is KB. So Robbie, Tommy, Nick, Jason, and all of our guys that help us. I hope I didn't leave anybody out. Mike Janis on the floor, Jerry Bickle and Modern Racing on the car, Amanda and Jesse and Ron for giving us a place to race, Rick for working through the rule issues. I'd even like to thank Bob Harris for that double bulb BS and that damn sportsman ladder. You know what I mean? Run that up your pole.
Good job.
You know, the last race we won, it was CUDA time.
CUDA time.
Yeah, CUDA time.
So what's that? Is that 4 for the year? So once again, Mitchell picking up 4 big dogs this year. Rewritten the record book multiple times.
Hey, this big dog got a special name. It's called Teardrop Mariner. I don't know if y'all can figure out the first part. Teardrop Mariner. That's the name of this big dog. Ain't nothing wrong with Charlie Bucks Motors, by the way, and ain't nothing wrong with that whole deal. That's a good group of guys there, and everybody else that we race with. Brian Schrader, Jason Harris, Bubba Turner, Cam Clark made huge strides tonight. Great job, guys. Mr. Harris and all of them. Mike Graham, hurry up, get your stuff back together before they boot our class because we ain't got enough cars. You know, thank this guy right here for all the coverage, Jay, and the job he does, and everybody here. And just thanks to everybody. We had a great year.
Good job.
Yes,
See you in the
sir.
spring. Hey, that's a good way to end. Classic by Barry Mitchell. I'm out. Big Dog 2021 unfortunately comes to an end. Thank y'all for watching. I'm out.